Okay, in this problem, we have Benny's High School played 18 soccer games this year. The team won most of their games. They were defeated during 3 games. How many games did they win? So we have 18 total games played. Okay, and that is going to be the same as the wins and losses. Okay, they won most of their games, so I'm going to make the side for W a little bit bigger. They were defeated during 3 games. Defeated during 3 games mean they lost 3 games. So we know at that point that this L is 3 because they lost 3 games. How many games did they win? So we have a total of 18 games is equivalent to the number of games they either won the game or lost the game. We want to know how many they win or they won. And we know that they lost 3 or they were defeated in 3. So over here, I've made a tape diagram to show that they're equivalent. So if we have 18 up here and 3 there, 18, you guys can think of being 3 and something else. Ooh, I probably should make that the same size. So if you want to think about taking 3 away from the 18, so if we take 3 away from here, we have to take 3 from 18. Well, 18 is the same as 15 and 3. So if we take 3 from the bottom, we have to take 3 from the top. Okay, and that's represented here, that if we take 18 minus 3, we get 15. And then positive 3 and negative 3, they cancel each other out. So 15 is the total number that they won. I'm going to show another way to do the equivalent equations. For equivalent equations that we could set up is the number of games won is the total, oh man, I ran out of room, minus the ones lost. Okay, so the number of games that they won is total minus lost. I'm going to do a fancy L for lost so it doesn't look like the number 1. So we know their total is 18, and we're going to take away the 3 games that they lost, and that will show us that they won 15 games. Let me scroll that up so you can see it. So they won 15 games. It's the same thing, it's just represented 2 different ways. Either way, we get there were 15 total games won. Pick which way makes more sense to your brain and copy it down in your notes.